Hello, 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 and welcome back to Brandy's Place. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. I am so excited. This is my second video of the week, and it's been a while, so I'm excited about that. Sorry for the background noise. I'm actually outdoors because it's a beautiful day, and wanted to just kind of sit out and make a short video. So good morning, good morning, good morning, or good afternoon, or whatever it is in your time zone. Again, thanks for tuning in. So today I actually washed my hair, which is why I have my t-shirt wrap on my head here. I stopped using towels a long time ago, even as a free natural, because the lint would just get so tangled in my hair and it would be a challenge to get it out. So t-shirts work really well. Tip for both free naturals and those who are rocking the Locs these days. So wanted to just show you my hair today after a wash. Some of the actual products that I used today for my wash, thank goodness, or thank God it's natural. You can see here, the moisture rich sulfate free shampoo. I used that because it's been a little while since I washed my hair, so I wanted to make sure all the dirt was out. And I tried a couple of different products as far as moisturizing this week. I'm in the country, so you can hear all the frogs and all that stuff. Sorry about that. But anyway, not sorry about it. It's awesome. And so then I also used this Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Conditioner. And I'm not, endorsing any of these products. I'm just telling you what works for me. So I use this Trader Joe's. I used it as a free natural, especially when I was doing the co-washing. The great thing is because it has the tea tree in it, it has a little bit of that tingle in it, and it's very inexpensive. So if you are co-washing your hair, this is a great tool to use for your co-wash, because you feel that tingle is getting your scalp clean, and you're not spending a lot of money on conditioner. So then I followed that up with my TGIN Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. It has shea butter and argan oil in it as well. So I kind of mixed those products together today to do a wash and cleanse and hopefully some moisture. I've been having trouble figuring out the best way to moisture my locks. So even as a free natural, my hair was a little bit dry, but I kind of got that together. So yeah, so we'll see. I'll take my thingy down so you can kind of see. Hopefully you can. I know it's not a great view. But this is my hair after freshly washing. Alright. And it's still a little wet, but I like to wrap it in the t-shirt to take some of the moisture out and then let it air dry, because I'll let it air dry throughout the day. And that's it. I'm going to be out running errands, so that'll be great. And so afterwards I'll do some I'll probably use grapeseed oil and or extra virgin olive oil. They work really well for my hair. I'll use that and some moisturizing stuff. I'm still, like I said, figuring that whole piece out. So you got to find what works best for you. That's the main thing in all of this, in this journey. So I'm glad that you're tuning in with me. I think that's about it today. I just wanted to encourage you on your hair journey, wherever you are, whether you're a free natural, whether you are locked queen, or whether you are rocking a perm, whatever it is. I just want you to be happy and excited about where you are in your journey. I also want to ask, what are you grateful for today? I'm grateful for this beautiful head of hair. I'm grateful that I was able to arise this morning. I am so grateful. I think a lot of times we take many things for granted. We go throughout the day and we're not grateful for the small things, like even the noise of these tree frogs, I believe, or just the sunshine or the trees or anything. We kind of miss the point sometimes. So this week for me, I've been really focusing on acknowledging the things that I'm grateful for. So I hope you do the same. Acknowledge what you're grateful for and work on being the best you that you can be, being better than you were 5 minutes ago. So until our next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy wherever it is that you are, and enjoy the people that you're with, and enjoy yourself. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks for tuning in.